Kia ora whānau, Grant Whitbourne here again with another quick lesson to help you on your journey into Te Reo Māori. So today we're going to be looking at the word tahi, tahi as in one, and how we can use that word to really form a collective sense when we're talking. And what I mean by that is, as an example is probably the best way to do it, is when we say something in English like we are going, like we're going somewhere. We can people know that we are going because we're telling them. But if we add tahi into the sentence, we essentially turn that sentence into something more along the lines of we are going together or we are going as one. It's a word that really helps to emphasize the unity in a sentence. So I'll give you some examples on the screen here, and hopefully when you're starting to say these things in your day to day, as you're going through your day to day activities, you can start adding tahi in to start really emphasising that collective nature of what you're doing. So we'll look at some examples here. So the first one, might write them in English first. So we are going, as I said before, and then in Te Reo Māori, we might write kei te haere, tātou. But if we add tahi in there, we are going together. We can say kei te haere tahi tātou. Pretty simple, right? And what it really does, it just emphasizes tahi meaning one, the oneness of the action or the collective nature of what's actually happening here. Another one is we should eat. And for this one, we might say me kai tātou. We'll say tātou. Me kai tātou. We should eat together. We can change that then to me kai tahi tātou. And as you're starting to learn, as you're starting to listen to podcasts and videos, you might actually hear these things come up. Tahi and then tātou or tahi tāua. Tāua meaning the two of us. You might just start hearing tahi come up in front of these pronouns because that's what they are. And when you do hear them start to come up, and sometimes you'll be able to pick it up because of the context of what's actually being said, especially if there's subtitles there or you know the topic of what's being said. If you can start noticing the tahi coming into the sentence, you know that it's actually starting to talk about the collective nature of what's happening and the collective nature of that action. So keep an eye out for that one. Practice it where you can and enjoy your learning.